What would happen if Saturn were in the orbit of Venus? This question might seem a little far-fetched, but it's a fascinating thought experiment that can help us understand the dynamics of our solar system better. Firstly, let's consider the orbital dynamics. Saturn is much farther from the Sun than Venus. If Saturn were suddenly placed in Venus's orbit, it would experience much higher temperatures than it does in its current position. This change could have significant effects on Saturn's atmosphere and rings. Next, we should think about the atmosphere of Saturn. It's a thick, swirling mass mostly comprised of hydrogen and helium. If Saturn were to be in Venus's orbit, the intense heat closer to the Sun might cause this atmosphere to behave in strange, unpredictable ways. The current thick cloud cover on Venus is due to its extreme greenhouse effect, which traps heat. Could a similar phenomenon occur on Saturn? It's an interesting question to ponder. Then there's the matter of Saturn's rings. These stunning structures are one of Saturn's most recognizable features. The proximity to the Sun might affect the stability and appearance of these rings, possibly causing them to behave differently due to increased solar radiation and heat. Let's not forget the surface conditions. Venus has a surface temperature that can melt lead due to its thick atmosphere and greenhouse effect. Saturn, on the other hand, is a gas giant and doesn't have a solid surface. If Saturn were in Venus's orbit, it might create extreme conditions, but it wouldn't develop a solid surface like Venus. The rearrangement of the planet's positions would likely lead to gravitational disturbances in the solar system. This could affect the orbits of other planets, leading to long-term consequences, and yes, that includes Earth. Changes in the solar system's gravitational dynamics could influence Earth's orbit and climate. However, the specifics would depend on the details of the rearrangement and are challenging to predict accurately. In reality, such a scenario is not possible through natural processes. The gravitational interactions and forces at play in the solar system would prevent such a drastic change in the planet's positions. The solar system we observe today has evolved over billions of years, and its current configuration is the result of complex interactions and dynamics. So, while it's interesting to consider what-if scenarios, it's also important to remember how finely tuned our solar system is. The positions of the planets, their orbits, and their characteristics all play a crucial role in maintaining the balance that allows life to exist on Earth. For more amazing facts, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep exploring the universe and asking big questions.